In the event of a discharge of a foam system in an aircraft hangar, the aircraft becomes inoperable. In our scenario, we have a purely water-based system and there is no impact on the craft.
The low-pressure water mist hangar solution that we have is in many ways different from any traditional system being foam or sprinkler systems. If you look at a traditional sprinkler system, it will be just wetting only. If you look at a foam system, it will be just working more on oxygen depletion. We are combining that. We are fighting the fires on the 3 sides of the fire triangle.
The hydrocarbon fuel fire is very easy to put out with a low-level water mist plume. We're able to use the convective effect of the fire and pull the water mist into the centre of that fire. It's very effective. We use significantly less water. We've got a 60% reduction in the water storage requirements.
In comparison with other special hazard fire applications such as foam, the low-pressure water mist system is less toxic, creates less toxic waste and mess in the activation, and is easier to install.
Total cost of ownership is reduced. Due to the reduction in the maintenance regime associated with the foam, the system is treated like a sprinkler system from a maintenance point of view. This is the tip of the iceberg in terms of firefighting technology. It's safe for people, safe for the aircraft, and it's safe for the environment.
This is the future of aircraft hangar fire protection.